Recent events in and around Ukraine have improved substantially since the United States reassumed its leadership role. In fact, on the battlefield, Ukraine has stopped the Russian onslaught in the northeast near the city of Kharkiv, and Ukrainian defense systems most recently knocked out 29 out of 30 Russian drones and missiles. Ukraine was the primary subject of the G7 summit in Italy, concluding with a 10-year security agreement signed between the United States and Ukraine. Ukraine was the main subject at a NATO convocation of defense leaders in Brussels. Internally, Ukraine stepped up, announcing further privatization of its state-owned assets, which not only may bring in valuable currency, but diminish governmental corruption, provided auctions are conducted in a uniform and transparent manner. Much of this may be difficult to evaluate at this stage, but will be more prime for analysis in the near future. A video circulating on social media showcased the destruction of a 240mm Russian 2S4 tile pan, tulip self-propelled mortar by Ukrainian troops using an American HIMARS multiple-launch missile system. The 2S4 tile pan is one of the largest caliber and most powerful artillery systems with a 240mm caliber designed specifically for destroying strong fortifications and for use in urban combat. The M142 HIMARS MLRS is operating near Bilohorivka, Luhansk region, read the caption of the video released on the Butusov Plus Telegram channel. First, the drone video showed a mortar that is highly likely to be the claimed 2S4 tile pan. The footage showcased personnel moving on top of the mortar, usually operated by a crew of 5. Next, the footage captured a powerful explosion, accompanied by thick clouds of smoke. Subsequently, the Russian mortar caught fire, and Russian soldiers were seen lying nearby. The tactical and technical characteristics of the 2S4 tile pan self-propelled mortar include a 240mm caliber, a firing range of 9.5 kilometers for conventional shells, a firing range of 19.5 kilometers for active-reactive shells, and a combat weight of 27.5 tons. The main advantage of the 2S4 tile pan is its high trajectory fire, ideal for urban combat as it allows firing from behind cover. The amount of explosives in a 240mm shell is 32 kilograms, significantly more than the 7.5 kilograms in a 152mm artillery shell, giving the tile pan immense firepower. However, the 2S4 tile pan has drawbacks, including a limited firing range and its lack of mobility, making quick repositioning difficult. The mortar crew operates in open positions, and the mortar itself is highly noticeable. According to open sources, the cost of such a mortar is about $800,000. The 2S4 tile pan was first used during the war in Afghanistan, where it destroyed fire points in stone rubble and caves, as well as strongholds on roads, passes, and villages. Russia also used it during the Second Chechen War to capture Grozny, and again during the assault on the Luhansk airport in 2014. Earlier, Ukrainian forces reportedly blasted a Russian Pantsir-S missile system in the Luhansk region on June 10th. Reports on social media indicated that the Russian Pantsir was hit by an American HIMARS. A Russian military correspondent under the name Ossetin complains that Russian military personnel in his Kherson sector have gone crazy from alcohol. Everyone drinks, as he says. And then this leads to unnecessary deaths, and if even one is drunk, his entire squad may die too easily. Now there will be swearing. Take the children away from the screens. Again, I want to highlight the problem of booze in the Kherson direction. It is becoming more and more severe. This process can no longer be stopped by enthusiasts. The roof of this hall is very strong, and it is found both in civilian and law enforcement agencies. You can throw stones at me, say that it is impossible not to drink at the front, but this is not so. At the moment, a very large percentage of those killed in the direction are blue. Alcoholics, drunks, almost everyone drinks. I understand that you are tired, bro, but think about your people. How many times has the blue, alco, killed many people? Lack of care? All of this emerges when you are drunk, which in turn leads to death. Okay? Even to your own death. But when half a company dies because of one fucking drunk, then it's already a shame. When that drunk starts shooting at his own people, it's doubly offensive. I understand that not does. If you can't stop drinking, then sit in a closed room, lock yourself with 40 locks, and get so drunk that you won't even be able to leave. Yes, I can't speak differently because this goes beyond all limits. When a person goes to storm Crinky drunk, his squad is doomed to death. Almost no one can stop at 100 grams. You can tell me that I'm wrong, but there are already a lot of cases when a lot of people died because of the blue alco. In the Kherson region, there are no restrictions on booze. The warriors buy hundreds of liters from fucking hucksters who push these hundreds of liters of vodka and other heavy drinks every day. In the Kherson region, it is necessary to at least reduce the amount of imported alcohol. If we want to lose dozens of people, or even hundreds, every day, fighting across the Dnieper, then for God's sake, drink, get drunk like I don't know who. But if we want to win this war and lose fewer people through stupidity, then be so kind as to watch importation of alcohol. I won't be surprised that soon the hucksters will come to the islands where the battles are taking place and sell booze. Don't die foolishly, comrades. I understand that the booze consumption will not decrease, but I hope for sanity, comrades, who read from the direction. Blue alco at the front means evil and death. First of all, not you, but your comrades. The 77th Air Mobile Brigade taking care of an invasive species with an effective method called vaporization. And for the end, incredible footage. US 5th generation aircraft fly over the Pacific. Visual displays of power can serve as a reminder to potential adversaries of the overwhelming air power that the B-2 can bring to bear. New video shows B-2 Spirit stealth bomber escorted by F-22s and F-35s.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.